Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Super Sport 2. Orlando Pirates wins via penalties. I'm joined by Mr. Bekele Beke. Keep out, Jehovah.
My boss, Mr. Fela Versace himself.
Yes.
Timo.
Yeah.
Mina nginankinga baba.
Yeah.
I'm going through. Ukuthi ngine kanjani, ukuthi umuntu athini, ngina ngamaphela oranjani. We are very happy as Buccaneers.
Yes.
For the win ukuthi sithulele namuhla.
Yes.
Khona manje abanye bayodlala khona manje angisithi mina useqalile runjani.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuhamba manje, ngifuna ukupinya, ngifuna ukuhlala kahle e-TV ngibabheke, ngibaminyele.
Kaizer Chiefs.
They must not win anything those ones. Neba busy baphapha kakhulu laphana, ba busy bafavise i-Super Sport laphana ba support i-Super Sport yabona. Ngisho ukuthi yiwo basenze ukuthi seyona kuma penalties. Yabona. So after all, I'm very happy with the performance. Balintwana yethu encane lethu man of the match. Lentwana la it's a star boy. What? The star boy. Wenza izinto. The quality player.
Yes.
Ufikile afita.
Yes.
Like a glove. Like a glove.
Yes. Yes.
So we are happy. Ukuthi ubani athini njani thina singeni lapho. And I'm very disappointed in Sundowns.
Why?
But postpone a game. I don't understand ukuthi why postpone a game ukuthi nafanele badlale namuhla. Postpone game bathi under 17 abanyana abanye niyadlala. But I don't understand as a management of Sundowns.
Yes.
Never look bayazi ukuthi abanyana abanye badlala. Why bangathatha i game lena bayise kusenye stadium?
Yes.
Should bakhombisa khona ukuthi bathukiwe.
Yes.
Uyangithola?
Yes.
But asinandaba. Mina ngibheka indaba zethu. We are happy with the win. It's a Buccaneer nation. Uyangithola? Sithathe ama points. We are moving on to the it's a win. Whether it's a point, whether it's a what, it's a win. A win is a win. It's a cup game. We are the defending champions of the Nedbank, and then we are the cup finalists.
Tell the Chiefs in the top.
Oh, get all the Chiefs. Chiefs are fresh. So, and I'm going to the Chiefs. The Chiefs. I'm going to support the Super. I'm going to tell you that's all natural. I'm going to support the Chiefs. Support the Chiefs. Support the Chiefs. I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you that. You're telling me, Mamo. You're telling me, guy. You're Kaizer Chiefs, your leader. I win. It's leading. It's not winning. Kaizer Chiefs is not yet over. It's turn coach. It's now. I'm happy for the win. We are going through out to Pambili. The boys played very well. Even though I'm a mistake, that will have a corner. They must not boo player. They must encourage them. Support. They must support it. They support the one.
That boy is defending.
I say, it's like a lady. But I want to know why I'm poor. I'm just going to have a good one. Never poor ego. Never feel like I can't let you so to go inside. They have to support him here. Young Ton, but as equal up, Young Ton, we are the defending champions.
Yes.
Another cup is loading.
Yes.
Young Ton,
yes.
We are going to the finals.
Yes.
The final. Young Ton,
the Chiefs.
Chiefs. Bona singene lapho. Ngiyathola nje. Siyosiyela lapho phela. Bayawina bawini thina singene. Mara kusalayo bona ngeke bathole icup. Thina simile sibhekile. Ngiyamthola. So I'm very happy ngabafana bethu. Unjosi. Abafana bethu amakhokhomelo lethu ayi4 wonke. I'm very happy for them ukuthi bakhona ukungena bayenza izinto. Ngiyamthola. Man of the match intwana yami. Akuna follow up naye. And thank you Sipho Chain for making things happen mfana. Ngiyakuxolela ngala mistake owenza mfana nami. Akuna follow up nawe. Pasika Marco. Yes. I love you boy. Keep it up.
Every call was 20,000 pound.
My boss. Bona.
Every call was 20,000.
It's our money.
Just sign up.
Bona.
Netbank Cup.
Yeah, afena anyongena nami. Khona.
Thank you.